Hello and welcome back. So now we have our MongoDB server running in our local machine and we have connected to the local MongoDB using Studio 3T. So now it's time to create the database. So if you look at here, then by default, local DB is created by MongoDB and it has some sort of collection. So we are not going to change anything in the local database. We will create the separate database over here. So for that, just right click on the connection name and click on the Add Database. Now here we need to provide the name of the database. So I'm giving the name as Spring. You can give any name. I'm giving the database name as Spring and just click on the OK. See, the database Spring has been created and this is right now blank because there are no collections as of now. So now we have our database Spring. So in the next lecture, we will proceed further. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.